gang, what it do, what it do, what it do. I'm excited, man. Right here, we about to unbox this shit right here, man. What this product is pretty much it's called the laydown, okay? It's called the laydown. And y'all just saw the clip right there, man. It looks official, okay? So I'm about to unbox this right now, man. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a pretty long, well, not be long, but it's gonna be a pretty exciting video for not just me, but for you guys too as well. And I'm gonna give you guys, it's gonna be an unboxing and a review in one, okay? So I'm gonna unbox it and then we're gonna use it. I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts on it and tell you guys where to get it from, okay? This shit right here is official. I already used it, you feel me? But I got another box, another one right here. You know what I'm saying? We about to check this shit out right now, man. Unbox it. So y'all don't go nowhere, man. Just keep it locked. It's about to go down. Let's get it.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
All right, PB gang. So let's unbox this right here, man. And let's see what's all up in this thing, man. You know, I don't know if it's one or two or what, but we finna find out right now. Unbox it, man. That's what we about to do. Unbox this thing, man. Y'all know how to do with the unboxing, man. I don't want to beast mode it. We ain't gonna beast mode it. We gonna just do it real swift. You know what I'm saying? Real swift and professional. Yeah, man. We got a lot going on for you guys, man. That's it. That's in here. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else. You know. Box this stuff. Professionally wrapped. Professionally wrapped. Yes, sir. Alright. So if mine come like this, you guys are gonna come like this too. You guys, if you order it, it's gonna come like this as well. It's professional. This is the second one I've gotten. And both of them was just like this. Alright. Yeah. And I believe you could get different colors too as well. You know, so when you email him, you let him know what colors do he have. Y'all chop it up, and he'll let you know exactly, you feel me, the colors he got and the ones you can purchase. But this one right here, y'all know I'm a Los Angeles Lakers fan, you feel me? Shout out to my guy LeBron, man. Shout out to my guy LeBron, man. Yeah, man, so yeah, this is how it's looking right here. It comes like this. Look, it comes in a box, okay? It comes in a bubble wrap, and it's not even fragile, but it comes in a bubble wrap. It also comes in another plastic and another plastic. Bro, that's professional, you know what I'm saying? It's not even fragile. Nothing's fragile about this. But that's just how you do it, you feel me? Professional, which is what's up, that's what's up. So anyways, man, okay, this is how the front look right here, you feel me? This is how the front look. Boom, see that? The lay down, you feel me? And this is how the back look. Boom. See? Professional. And this, what this is right here is the lay down. It says the lay down frizz reduction styling glove. Okay? Waiver premium. You know what I'm saying? And I'll read the back for you guys as well. You guys can see it. The back, that's how it look. And I'll read it for you guys as well. It says, peace to all my fellow waivers and individuals who are passionate about maintaining healthy, silky looking laid down hair. No matter what texture you may have, we all want to lay those stubborn frizzy hairs down after our long brush sessions. As a fellow waver, my wave journey has been just like yours, using all the methods available in the lifestyle which choosing. And along the way, I feel the need to give back to the wave culture. So whether you're elite, have waves, or just a beginner, the Laydown G will take you to that next level. You feel me? That's what's up. The Laydown G, made by a waver for waivers. You know what I'm saying? It's illfreezerealmist.com. I'll put that in the link. I'll put that in the description box below so you guys can know. I'll put his email and as well as the website that you guys can go to and y'all can check it out. I'm pretty sure on the website he has all the colors that he may have available. But what this is basically, what he was saying is a plastic. You know how you got the plastic bag method, right? Ziploc bag, boom, boom, boom. You gotta zip it up. If you put the plastic on, zip it up, go, boom. This right here is the frizz reduction styling glove, the Laydown G. And it looks like this. I'm about to open it up right now. This basically, woo, that's how it looks, see? Okay, so you got the left, you got for the left side, right? For the left glove. You feel me? Just like this, that's how it look. You know what I'm saying? And then you got this how it look in the front. And what this kind of material is, basically is like I say more like a cloth material. And the backside, of course, which is gonna touch your waves, is a plastic material, but it's more of a thicker material. Kind of like the material that, for example, I say, if you get a bed set, you know how it comes with inside, like if you get a comforter, okay? You know that type of, this is what it reminds me of, you know that type of plastic, like thick plastic that comes in the comforter, inside the comforter? Outside the comforter, that the comforter be inside, like a bed set or whatever. The cover, it's that type of material. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but that's the best way I can explain it. It's like a thick plastic. It's not the real thin plastic or whatever. It's more thick, which is better because it will help to lay down your frizz. You feel me? Lay down better because it's thicker. You know what I'm saying? So you don't gotta go for a long time. Just do it about for 5 minutes and it be straight. I'm gonna show you guys too as well after this. But yeah, so that's the left side. So you know when you go in with it, put it on like this. Yeah, put it on like that. You go on with the left side. You're going for the left side, and then you got your right glove, the right one. The same thing, looks the same. For your right hand. All right. So boom, you can get on this side like this. You get your crown, everything. This is definitely a fucking brilliant. It's a brilliant, man, creation, I feel like, because nobody has really came out with nothing that lay down your hair as far as like with a plastic bag, except for it was another product that came out too as well. What was that? The wave smoother. That was dope too. But this is more like bigger. Like it's a glove. It's different. So I don't know, bro. This shit right here. You know, y'all know I'm a plastic bag king, bro. I love the plastic bag. It's hot too, by the way. I love the plastic bag, bro. But this right here, man, is better than the plastic bag, I must say. Better. Alright, so enough of me talking, man. I'm gonna show you guys what to do. We're gonna get a plastic bag. No, the plastic bag. The lay down G session in, alright? Plastic, lay down G session in the bathroom, alright? You guys can see for yourself how good to lay down my hair or whatever. And I'll let you know where to get it from and all that, alright? And I'll be into the video, man. So let's go to the bathroom. Woo! Okay, PB gang. So now I'll be in the bathroom, man. The only place I can really see, you feel me? Cause it's a mirror and shit right here. We finna test this thing out, okay? The lay down G, baby. Yeah. All right. Multiple colors. This is the one I wanted. I wanted the Lakers. You know, you go to the website. I'm pretty sure you got multiple colors on there. You guys can choose which one you guys want. Y'all can put it in the cart and you purchase it. If not, I'll make sure I leave his email as well, okay? For you guys to purchase it. So this is how you use it. The correct way to use it. You put it on, okay? The right side of your head. First, you need your mirror. You need your mirror, right? Okay? And then you put your glove on. Simply, easy. Just like you put on a baseball glove. Simple. Put it on like a mitt, right? Then what you do is for the right side. Turn, boom. And I'm woofing too, by the way. Hella, and my hair dirty. So if my hair looking kind of coarse, that's why. For real. It's always been coarse, but you know, if it's looking more coarse, that means it's nappy and dirty right now. That's why. Anyway, so you just simply, you know, boom, 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 that angle, boom, top, just like that, going to the top, right side, behind your ear. I hit behind my ear like this, straight down, simple. Once I get back here, I'll just come like that. Straight like that. And of course, behind, straight back, straight down. You know, and you can do the method too. You know, y'all can do my with a connection method. Y'all can do that too. You know, y'all put the oil on here, plastic bag oil method. You can do the same thing with this. I'll do a separate video on that though, so you guys can see how it looks and all that. Show you guys the results and all that. But right now, I'm showing y'all how to lay down G. Right now, I'm just showing y'all the basics of it, how to use it. You know, you can use it all with one hand if you want, just like this. Come around. You know, come around. Same hand. And then you come right here, you can just go like that. Boom, boom. Hit it like that. This is all if you want to use it with one hand, okay? Okay. Get your crown real good. Hit it like that. Now, if you wanna use the other one, and you don't like using your one hand for the whole head, what you can do is take this off. Because that's why it comes with two, so you can be comfortable. It all depends on what you prefer. You know what I'm saying? It all depends on how you wanna, hit your angles. Put it on like that. It's the left one. I changed that. Put the left one on. So now my left one on, right? Same thing. Now you hit the left side. I showed you how to do it with one hand, and I'm showing you how to do it with both hands now. You can hit all angles with just one hand though, with the right hand. That's what I do sometimes. But if I feel like, it all depends on how I feel. That's pretty much. I can't even say if I feel like it. Just all depends on how I feel. You know what I'm saying? So now you hit it with the left like that. These are left angles. Simple. Boom. Top. Right here. Yeah, this might be a thumbnail. Think about it. I use this as a thumbnail. Boom. Thumbnail. Lay down G. Alright. The back. Like this. Simple. Just like how you do with your right hand. That's it. I'm gonna do more videos, man, with this. Like certain little, I don't know. I got to come up with all type of videos. Oops. I come up with all type of videos with this method, with this lay down G, man. It's good. It's great. I'll show you guys how to put the oil on the bag and whatever. Boom. I'm gonna show you a lot of shit with this method, with this bag, man. This is a great creation, man. And I want to thank him for sending this to me, because it's definitely great. You know what I'm saying? But if you guys want to purchase this product, all you have to do, what you should have in your arsenal, you should purchase it in your arsenals for sure. Facts. You know what I'm saying? That's just co-signed by Poppy Blaster, man. Then all you have to do is go to this website right here. You see? It'll freeze. It's right there. It's right there, boy. Y'all see it? Go right there to the website. Website right there. Alright? I'll also leave that in the description box below, as well as his email. You guys can email him, ask questions, talk to him, whatnot, whatever. If you have questions for real about it, or whatever the case may be. But that's the end of the review / unboxing, man. Glad you guys, watch this video. And like I said, man, it's co-signed by me. You need one. Every waiver need one of these. You can use a plastic bag method, the regular plastic bag if you want to. That shit right there is what I add to my arsenal. It eliminates me having to keep on going plastic bag with it for a long time. As you guys see, it will still keep my hair laid. As you guys see, it will definitely reduce your frizz, being that it's more thicker than the regular plastic bag. The regular plastic bag is more thin. That's more thicker, which will make your hair lay down more faster, easier, simple. That's facts, bro. With that being said, man, if you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah. Cut the camera, nigga.
Tone Cognac.